If you are struggling to get your 1K subscribers, come closer, come closer. This video is for you. So I'm going to show you in this video how to get your 1K subscribers, the surest and the simplest way ever to get your 1K subscribers. We are not using any random tools. We are using YouTube itself to get these 1K subscribers, to get it within 3 days. So if you are struggling to get 1K subscribers, what I want you to do, I want you to subscribe first, like the video. So let's dive in. So what I want you to do, open your YouTube app, because we are not using any random app on this trick. We are using YouTube itself. So that is why I tell you that it is very, very simple and sure. Nobody is going to flag your channel, shadow ban your channel. Nothing is going to happen to your channel, because this is the surest way ever to get your 1K subscribers. So tap on the YouTube box. So when your YouTube open, the next thing that you are going to do is for you to tap on this search bar. When it's open, I want you to either search for viral shorts or you search for trending shorts, anyone. Then tap for any of the shot that you see has the
Make it, do it, makes sense.
For example, like this one, and tap on this place. And it's not all the shot that will have this feature. This is a new feature that YouTube just add. So if any shot that you tap that does not have this, you look for another one. Then you tap on this, wait for it to load. You can ask ChatGPT for prompts to use, but I just want to pick any of these that they give me. So I don't know which one I should go with, but let me just tap this one and send. So you wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. After loading, you will see what YouTube generates. As you can see, it is done generating the video. So the next step that you are going to take is for you to click on, so you can give captions, sticker, filters, effects, or whatever. But I would like to leave it like this. So what you are going to do next is for you to tap on next. You don't necessarily need to add titles or whatever. What you can do is for you to put this hashtag here, shorts, and then put another one like viral or trending. Just put viral shorts. So the next thing that you are going to do is to tap on this pencil icon, wait for it to open. So what I want you to select the one that is very engaging, captivating. You can pick something like this, and you make sure that you choose the thumbnail that is very. And then the next thing you are going to do, you can add description or whatever, and then I will just leave it like this, and then you post. One thing I want you to know is that when you get your 1K subscribers, I want you to delete all the videos. Delete all the video, especially if this video is not your niche. You delete all of them, and then you start posting your own videos. So this trick will give you 1,000 subscribers within a few days. I want you to do it like twice in a day or once in a day. Make sure you find engaging script. You can use your own prompts to transform the video. You can tell ChatGPT to give you your own prompt to transfer the video, to transform the video into amazing and cinematic scene so that it will engage, people will like to watch. And then after that, when you get your 1K subscribers, make sure you delete all the video and stop posting. The reason why I say this is because those subscribers that you are getting is not from your niche. They just subscribe because of the this thing and you are doing, and this is not the things that you are going to post for your channel. So after you get the 1K subscribers, the next things for you to do is for you to delete all the video and start uploading your video. If this video is helpful, I want you to like, subscribe. I want you to join my Telegram channel. That is where I post all the AI tools. There are some of the things I cannot share here, so you will find in that community. See you in the next video.